On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that I'm going to show you a new traffic source that you can use to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Lead, you can join CPA Build, you can join OGRs or any CPA network that you know. In this case, we are using CPA Group. So if you want, you can create an account on CPA Group. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, we are going to select My Office. Once you select My Office, you're going to see a page like this. So as I scroll down, you can see different offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a country that has offers with higher payout so that you can promote those offers and then make money from home. So what you have to do is that just come right here. Once you come right here, you can select any country that you want. CPA offers, they are country specific. So any country in the world that you want, you can select it and then get offers to promote in that country. So you can see many countries. As I scroll, you can see many of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for Australia. Just search for Australia right here. So let's search for AU. You can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are the offers that you can promote to people in Australia. You can see a lot of them. You can see this offer right here. Add shopping pile to your browser. If you get people in Australia to enter their mobile numbers so that they can get access to the offer, you are going to be paid $1.02. You can see it right here. There are many of them. As I scroll, you can see this one, you are going to be earning 51 cents. You can see this one, you are going to be earning $10.27. You can see 51 cents. So what you have to do is that you have to select the offers with higher payout. You can see this one is $10.27. This one is also $10.27. It is the same offer. You can see it is the same offer. So what you have to do is that you have to promote this offer so that you can be making money from home. The best part is that your potential visitors are not going to buy any product. What they have to do is that they have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can get Aldi $500 voucher. So you can see it right here. They only have to submit their mobile numbers. Once they enter their mobile numbers to win, you are going to be paid $10.27. They don't need to buy anything. So now what we have to do is that we have to promote this offer. You can see the offer is available on Android. It is available on Apple iOS. It is available on desktop. So this is one of the best offers that you can promote, because any of the devices that our potential visitors are using, they can still enter their mobile numbers for us to get paid $10.27. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you are going to click right here on the name of the offer. Once you click on the offer, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning right here. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Australia. You can see it right here. And you can see there are a lot of tracking domains that you can select. You can see many of them. You can see right here, this is the payout. This is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. You can see this is the description of the offer, and this is the name of the offer. So what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people in Australia to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning Aldi $500 voucher, and you are going to earn $10.27. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a paid traffic source so that you can get a lot of people from Australia to enter their mobile numbers for you to earn $10.27. So now the next step is that you are going to come on this website, clickadela.com. On this website, you can get quality traffic at affordable price. The best part is that your ad is going to get quick approval even if you have zero balance. And you can see right here, they have up to 13 ad formats that you can select. So you can test the various ad formats so that you can get the one that will get you a lot of conversion. And you can see right here, you can target up to 240 countries. So any country that you want, you can get traffic from that country to your affiliate link. You can see right here, they get 4.5 billion daily traffic. So this website is one of the best that we can use to get people in Australia to click on our link and then enter their mobile numbers for us to make money from home. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can promote your link on this website. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for a free account. If you don't want to click right here, you can click right here, advertisers, so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I'm going to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select personal. Once that is done, you are going to enter your name, enter your email address, enter your password, re-enter your password, your Skype ID. You are going to enter your telephone number right here. This is not a required field, but if you want, you can enter your mobile number right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then click right here, I'm not a robot. Once you click on that, click right here, sign up, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin creating your ad. To create an ad, click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, these are the ad formats that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can see right here, you can select all. But in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select one of them. So you can just look through and then select the one that is best for you. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select in-page push. So you are going to select it. Once you select it, you can see it right here. Once you select your ad format, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, campaign name. Enter the campaign name. So you can just type Aldi voucher, something like this. You can see something like this. Once you type the name of your campaign, the next step is that you are going to select the campaign group. In this case, we don't have any campaign group, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, CPC. CP simple means cost per click. If you select this option, you are going to be paying per every click. You can see right here, CPM, cost per mail. That means you are going to be paying per 1,000 impressions that you get. So if you get 1,000 visitors, you are going to be paying based on the 1,000 visitors that you get. You can see CPC plus gold. So cost per click plus what you want your visitors to do. If you select this option, you are going to be paying anytime the visitors do what you expect them to do. You can see CPA, it is not available. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select CPC, cost per click. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here the pricing. This is the default pricing. If you want, you can increase it. If you want, you can decrease it. You can see it is the recommended price, but I see it to be low, so I'm not going to increase it or decrease it. It is normal. Before you even spend $1, by then you should have gotten more than 50 clicks. So the pricing is okay, but if you want, you can still reduce it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see traffic quality. You can see high quality. If you want, you can select all. If you select all, it means any kind of traffic this website can direct it to your affiliate link. In this case, I'm going to leave it with high, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, select ad. We don't have an ad, so what we have to do is that we have to create one. To create one, you are going to click right here, create new one. Once you click on create new one, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, name. You are going to give a name to your ad that you want to create. You can type the name once again, Aldi voucher, something like this. Aldi voucher. Once you enter the name of your ad, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on CPA grip so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back on CPA grip, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, title. This is where you are going to paste the title of the offer. So you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back on CPA grip, you are going to highlight the title. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see it is more than the required number, so we are going to delete some of them. So you just delete this. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see description. So you have to go back on CPA grip so that you can copy and paste the description of the offer right here. Once you come back on CPA grip, you are going to highlight the description of the offer. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see graphic creatives. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA grip so that you can get the images of the offer. So you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back on CPA grip, you are going to right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save images. Once you save the image, you are going to click right here so that you can upload your image. Just click on the box right here. Once you click on it, select your image and then click open so that your image can be uploaded. Once you upload the image, the next step is that you are going to crop it. So you are going to drag it this way and crop it. Once you crop it, you are going to click right here, done. As you can see, it is uploading right here. You can see it has been uploaded. The next step is that you are also going to upload the same image right here. So just click on it so that you can upload the image. Once you click on it, select your image, click open. Once you click open, you are going to crop it, so you can drag it this way and then click right here, done. As you can see, it is uploading, so you are going to wait for it to upload. You can see it has been uploaded. When you scroll down, you can see this is the preview of your ad. You can see that is on Android. When you select iOS, you see the preview right here. You can see this is the preview on iOS. When you select Windows, you can see this is the preview on Windows. So now what we have to do is that we have to save our creative. So just click right here, save, so that you can save it. As you can see, it has been successfully saved. Once you have your ad creative, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to select the country that you are targeting. In this case, you are targeting Australia, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for Australia right here. Search for Australia right here. As you can see, this is Australia. Just select it. As you can see, that has been done. The offer is only allowed in Australia. You can see it right here. If you want, you can select a specific region in Australia, but in this case, we are targeting all parts of Australia, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see connection type. We are going to leave it like this. There's no restrictions, so you can just select all. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down. You can see device type. Just click on it. The offer is allowed on desktop. It is allowed on mobile and tablet, so you have to select the two options. So just select desktop. Once you select it, click on it, select mobile and desktop. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see device vendors. In this case, there is no restrictions, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see languages. You are going to click on it and then select English, because the people in Australia speak English, so just select English right here. As you can see, English, select that. Once you select it, the next step is that you are going to select the browsers. You can see browsers. The offer is allowed on all browsers, so just select all. Just select all right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see operating system. Click on it. Once you click on it, the offer is allowed on iOS, it is allowed on Android, and it's allowed on desktop, so you can just select it. We're also going to select Mac OS, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see IP2 locations. There's no restrictions, so just leave it with default. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, if you want to blacklist anything, maybe a website or an IP address, you can do that, but in this case, we are not going to blacklist anything, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you're going to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can see hourly limit, daily limit, total limit. If you want to limit the amount of money that you spend hourly, you can do that. If you want to limit the amount of money that you spend daily, you can do that. If you want to limit the total amount that you want to spend on your ad, you can do that. In this case, I'm going to enter the total limit as $50. Once that is done, you can see select date range. If you want to select the date, you can do that. If you want to select the date that you want your ad to start and the date that you want it to end, you can do that right here. In this case, I'm not going to set any date. I want my ad to start running immediately after approval, so you are going to leave it like that. Once you enter all the details, you are going to scroll down and then click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you can see your in-page campaign has been successfully created, so your ad has been created. The next step is that you have to deposit money into your account so that your ad can start running on this website. To deposit money, you are going to click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, the next step is that you are going to select your payment method. If you want to use wire transfer, you can do that. Bitcoin, you can do that. When you scroll down, you can see Capitalist, you can see Capitalist, USD, you can see many other methods of payments. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of the method that you want, you can select and then use it to deposit money into your accounts. For example, let's use the credit card, so let's click on it. Once you click on it, you can see you have to enter the amount right here. The minimum amount is $49, so you can enter $49 or you can enter more than $49. Once you enter the amount that you want to deposit, if you have a promo code, you can enter it right here. If you don't have one, you are going to click right here, proceed to billing, so that you can deposit money into your accounts. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.